ultimate machining taps. Yamawa has strived to create the most superior taps available in the market today. Yamawa ZPro VU Series, coated spiral fluted taps for blind hole VUSP, coated spiral pointed taps for through hole VUPO. With positive results from our customers, we will continue to expand the size range. ZPro VU Series has been newly developed for use in high-performance machining centers and water-soluble tapping fluid. The most notable features is the overall length, which makes it suitable for use on machining centers. This prevents chips from interfering with the tool holder and ensures maximum lubrication. This results in stable and continuous tapping conditions. The tap material is powder HSS, which has excellent wear resistance. We have adopted a coating that is compatible with water-soluble cutting fluids, which is also heat resistant, resulting in longer tool life. The VU Series can tap a wide range of materials and can be used with synchronous feed at mid-range speed. The VUSP for blind holes has a special flute design to maximize chip evacuation at mid-range tapping speeds. The new design of the VUSP dramatically extends the tool life of the tap. The VUSP is now available in 1.5 pitches, chamfer in sizes from M3 to M16, with a special designed cutting edge for short chamfers. The VUSP with the short chamfer is ideal for tapping through blind holes when thread length is required for the full depth of the hole. VUSP-CH spiral fluted coolant through taps are now available in M6x1 and from M8 to M16 in coarse and fine pitch threads. The most remarkable feature is its overall length, which makes it suitable to use on machining centers. This prevents chip interference with the tool holder, and the internal lubrication improves chip evacuation. Stable thread machining on high-performance machining centers is now possible. The coolant hole also eliminates chips left behind at the bottom of the internal thread and provides an excellent internal thread finish. We adopted Yamawa's original coolant hole diameter, which makes chip discharge stable the most. By supplying water-soluble tapping fluid at high pressure to the chamfer area helps cooling and prevents welding. The chips are consistently ejected with the coolant. Recommended tapping speed for general structural steels, carbon steels, alloy steels, and aluminum is 10 to 20 meters per minute. Recommended tapping speed for stainless steels are 3 to 10 meters per minute. The tap is suitable for a wide range of workpiece materials and is capable of machining in the mid-range speed with synchronous feed. VUSP has an expanded lineup and will continue to develop more sizes in the future. VUPO is spiral pointed taps for through holes. This has an appropriate overall length which reduces interference with the workpiece. This ensures that chamfer area of the tap exits through the bored hole. Our optimized flute shape of the chamfer area has improved chip evacuation. The newly designed specifications have achieved high-precision internal threads and produced stable tapping conditions. We invite you to try our ZPro VU series, which have been developed by combining Yamawa's experience and technologies to produce the best tap available. Yamawa, supporting future of manufacturing by improving our tools one by one.